hope today's video really let me play some Market Ball. Everybody, it's gonna be a great episode. I'm gonna really enjoy it. It's gonna be great. So if you're watching me play Nuance, I did 2 games off camera. I'm not the end game, but Alright, we're getting set up on return. He's going to the 10. He's going to go to about the 15-yard line, making a little move. He's running around, and he's going to get about 18 yards, and the play going to stop around the 18-yard line. Man, throwing right over the middle, and he's going to pick a big yard on that play. Catches it for a first down. 5-yard pick right there. Great position. On a one-on-one, and he's able to make that amazing catch right there. 49-yard pick. And downtown Randy Brown, he's going to get to the 50 right there. He's going to get brought downtown Randy Brown in the backfield. Terrible. And he losses them. And that was a great catch right there, and they're going to get in field goal range. Down to the 20. He's going to the 15, and before getting knocked out of bounds. Going to the outside, running, and he's going to dive right past the defender. He made him look like a fool right there, and he gets to the 4-yard line. Quarterback is going to take himself, diving in the end zone. Touchdown. Washington. And the 2-point conversion is good. He's going to give out 13 right there on that play. Except for the new update coming out soon. And he's going to get 8 right there. Going it downtown, Randy Brown, getting to the 40, going to the 50. And he's going to the R40 into the Saints territory. He's going to go all the way to the 45. Great pickup right there. Commander's trying to extend this lead. Guy tosses it, he's getting hit. He's going to dive, but not able to get the first down. They're going for it all. They're going to call timeout, 12 seconds left. Going back in the end zone, front of the end zone in the right corner. Touchdown, Washington Commanders. They throw it to the left corner of the end zone for the touchdown. That's what I meant to say. And the 2-point is good. They take a 16-3 lead. Oh no, the frozen interception. I should have never thrown that ball. It's all my fault. You do not throw a pass at the goal line. It's getting to around the 50. It's getting brought downtown Randy Brown.
God.
Under pressure, he's going to run. He's going to try sliding, but isn't able to slide. And he throws a pick. You got to be kidding me. Field goal. It's up. Kick is. You know what's going on. We should have not won that game. I'm going to be honest. 4-0. Rookie right here, man. We're gonna go strength. That's what we got the Rams. Trade, Rico Manning, looks decent. Sure. spent some time with my team over to bye week. So, yeah, it's after that terrible game. So, yeah, let's spend some points on speed, be well balanced, and our defensive back. Go work on tackling, good fundamentals. And next up, we got Denver. All right.